So we're here at the hotel. I got my little book ready to read for tomorrow. In the morning we're going to the beach. I didn't vlog as much because we were in the car for like 3 hours. And who wants to see 3 hours of random video footage? But yeah, my fit was cute today. Okay, who we talking to?
Ida, hi guys.
She got the cute fit going on. Right?
Some light.
We just got into the rooms and I'm gonna do a little room tour. You walk in, this is what you see first. It's a big old mirror. These are the beds. That's the dresser.
Girl, but I'm just trying to find something that portrays with like the stuff that's happening now. Something about peace.
Bathroom. It's giving, I don't know what it is giving, but yeah. Right now we're gonna go to bed because it's like midnight, and then I will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. Ugh, it's like 8 a.m. We have to go to the beach at like 10. And we slept at like midnight. Okay, so we're heading down for breakfast. I don't even know how this works. I haven't been in a hotel in like years. Actually, no, because seriously, like I have not been in a hotel in so long. I don't know how breakfast works anymore. I just remember room service, honestly. But waiting for the elevator. I'm gonna give a little breakfast haul, but this is what I'm having, and I got a piece of bread too. It's kind of sketchy looking, honestly, to be honest, but it's all we have right now. So
Ooh, okay, what do I say? Is it like touchscreen?
yeah, it is.
We're here, squeezing the car. I better make the vlog, that's all I know. Look at my pupil. Yo, I don't even have the star patches to cover it. I'm gonna have to stay like this until next weekend. Yeah, my girl things.
Yeah,
We look so good though.
we do.
They look good. They did their makeup. They look like a hot little Y2K girl. And Gigi's dad is literally like like this. Like, bro, like, what are you doing? I asked him to push the chair up. He only moved it like 2 little centimeters. Like, what are you doing right? I don't know what to say. Here's the view. Very Texas. Yeah, it's very kind of ugly though. Not gonna lie. But yeah, we're here. Yeah, your makeup looks good. You look very glowy.
Thank you.
Yeah. I don't have any gloss. I feel naked. This is like Corlinian. Dang, it's such good quality now. Let me turn this off. Y'all seeing my skin HD. Say bye. Bye. Did I just press the...
Yeah. It's a sunny day at the beach, at the beach, at the beach. Oh yeah, I will. No. Sure. It's so nice. I heard funky things about this water, but honestly I'm not gonna question it because it looks nice, so why not? I'm gonna start looking for seashells because I saw some cute seashells down here somewhere. I'd be so scared. I'd be sad. I'd be like, I'm sorry, little guy.
I'm going to die.
Okay, it's time to go. We've had our fun, we've had our times, and I don't know where next, honestly, but I'm excited.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the exit toward Avenue, then keep left.
Good morning. Today is the day that we go back home. We didn't really plan like a lot to happen. I think the beach was the biggest thing that we were gonna do. This trip was like a big group thing. But I'm gonna brush my teeth, I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and then we're just gonna head home. Yeah. I am going to do a little fit check. So we have these earrings that I got from TJ Maxx. This is knockoff Kendra Scott. This also I got from TJ Maxx. These I think I got from a garage sale. And then these are the, what are they called? Converses. I got them like in 2017, so I barely know where I got them. But we are leaving, and yeah. Bye. We're at like a family place right now, and we're gonna get breakfast. But I just want to film because that looks so beautiful, and the day is so beautiful. Now look at these trees. Look at that. Look at the trees. It's so gorgeous outside. We stopped by a local Target to get some Starbucks because, yeah, we need some drinks right now. But it was taking us around. It was taking us like everywhere, and then we were like, where's the Starbucks? But it's actually in the Target. But yeah. Sorry.